Now, children, good morning, children. You take, no need to wish again, okay? We are just starting the class. No need to wish, please. Today I am going to, now listen, today I am just going, no, if you say good morning, I will take another 5 minutes because I told you after 9 when we start class, nobody should wish ma'am, okay? Because again, I'll have to wish you back if you wish me. 8:55, you have to stop wishing. And once if you join in between, you don't disturb the class. Because maths class, you have to be very, very careful. You cannot be copying or you cannot be writing from somewhere else. Now, wish me and Paulina, turn on your phone, microphone, everybody. I will just wait because I can get disturbance here. All turn off your, see there, turn off your, I think I'll have to call you separately and tell every day, Kailina, please turn off your camera and microphone and get ready because you have to be very, very attentive. Is it clear to you? And I will be calling the children. Those children must answer. Okay, I'll be calling. So I want everybody to get ready with, just look at this page number 40 first. I don't want anyone saying I finished, ma'am, because I'm going to do it now with you. Now, just see, you have the same set of numbers. Same. Clear? You have the same set of number with you. And it's given exercise 2. Fill in the blanks. In your textbook, all must listen to me. Take out your pencil. After exercise 2 in your textbook, write today's date, 4/8. Already it was shown here. See here, 4/8/2020. Please do it. 4/8. No need of zero, all that. 2020. Now listen. In between, parents don't whisper. I am talking to them. I told you exercise 2. After that, I am just showing you the date 4/8/20. Now see, exercise 2. Now in order, I'm going to call from serial number 1 onwards, the girls. Now, first one is 5 plus dash is given. You just look at the numbers. Equals 4 plus 5. There is nothing to break your head thinking of the number. Now I will ask Akshara. Adonia. Adonia, first one. Those who are not attending the class today, I will just jot down because I want to know how many are attending. Adonia. Adonia. Yes. No. Akshara. Please help me, Akshara. Jaya. Akshara. When you come, you have to tell me whether you are Akshara or Adonia. Akshara. Okay, Akshara, good morning. See, children, now listen. Now 1 minute. Others don't talk. Now Akshara is on the line. So others should not talk.
Ma'am, what page number?
See, wherever you page number. Children, just see this now. I'm not going to start. Page number 40. Page number 40. It's shown. Jaya, page number 40. Page number 40. I told you when you join, you just see your textbook and see the screen. When you join late. Akshara.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the first one. 5. Read with me. Please, others, don't disturb her, please, parents. No, I'm not able to hear. Akshara, read with me. 5 plus
5 plus
dash. That means something is missing. Equals.
equal
Read. What is the next number?
4.
4 plus 5. Read
5.
what is there on the screen. 4 plus 5. Now, can you tell me which number is missing here?
4, ma'am.
Very good. See, children, you don't ask anybody any answer. I don't want them to write in your textbook. You write now 4 there. And just look at that. 5 plus 4. Others, now you turn off your phone, Akshara. Thank you. Now I want others to listen. Now, children, even if you change the order, see, first one is 5 plus 4. We don't want the answer. Then equals, this is equal. 4 plus 5. First we wrote 5 first, but you see next one 4 first. Even if you change the order, answer will be the same. Now I want Effie to tell me, you don't say anything, not second one. What is 5 plus 4? From your mind you must tell first, Effie. What is 5 plus 4?
9.
9. What is 4 plus 5?
9.
Very good. See now, you know the answer fast. No need to add and see. Thank you, Effie. Now, next question goes. Now, yes. Next question goes to Fatima. I am just reading one by one. Fatima. Fatima. Fatima, are you there? Fatima. I'm just going to put absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Fatima, is it Fatima?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, Fatima. Have you seen the number on the screen on in your book? 24. Please read B. Please read 24. Did you take the picture? Plus something is missing. Please read fast, Fatima. 24 plus dash. Read dash. 20. Did you see the number in your book, Fatima? Page number 40. Did you take page number 40?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 24. Read, Fatima. Don't get scared. 24 plus. Only Fatima will read. Do. 24. Read after me. 24.
Plus dash.
Excuse me. Please don't help a parent. I am helping. Fatima, read after me. 24 plus
4 plus
dash. Something is missing. Now see the next one. Equals. Equals. Tell. Equals.
equals
Equals. 26
26
plus 24.
plus 20.
Now, you got 24 in the first, B, first question. And after equal, you got 26 and 24. So, can you tell me which number is missing over there? Only you must tell. Parents, please don't help because let her look at the numbers and tell me the answer. 26 and 24 right side. That is equal to the left side number. But left side one number is missing. See which number is there in the right side. Fatima,
This we want to write.
let me know who's this. Who? Who asked this question now?
Naren ma'am.
Who? Ryan.
Naren ma'am.
Please listen to me, Naren. Did you join only right now? Listen, page number 40 you take and you have to do with me. Naren's parents, please see that he joins before 9. See that I'm wasting my time. I'm just giving explanation to that girl. Fatima, now which number is missing, Fatima? Second one. Fatima, you talk to me. 26 plus 24 is there. Here only 24. So which number is missing over there? Tell. You look at the numbers 26 plus 24 right side in your book or on the screen. Now which number is missing? Speak. This is because all are helping, whispering to our ears. You don't say anything. 26 plus 24 right side. Left side is only 24 plus and one number is missing. Tell me, Fatima, don't get scared. You tell any number. See, two numbers only there. Read that number. Fatima, read the numbers 26 plus 24. Read. You speak to me, Fatima. 26. Read. 26.
26.
26. Can you see 26 in the first line? 24 plus one number is missing. So tell me which number is missing. Tell me. No, excuse me. Next one. Joshika, Mary, can you help me? Children, you have to listen to the teacher. After that, you don't say, we cannot understand, we cannot understand. So long I was explaining. Joshika, please come on the line. Joshika. Joshika. One by one I'll call. Joshika. Joshika, Mary. I'm putting accent over here. Okay, Kanira. 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 Kayalina.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm Kanira, ma'am.
Kanira. Sorry, Kanira. Kanira, can you tell me the missing number there?
Madam, I am Kanira's father. We just logged in because we have some network issues.
Who's that, ma? Who's that? Tell me.
I am Kanira's father.
Never mind. You just tell. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, I am able to see the screen now. Yeah.
It's okay. Let Kanira speak. Okay, thank you, sir. Now, Kanira, the number is 24 plus dash. One number is missing. Next, right side 26 plus 24. Now, tell me which number is missing over there. Right side, you have 26 plus 24. Left side, only 24 is there. So, which number is missing over there? This is equal to that. You see the numbers 26 plus 24. Kanira, can you hear me now? Again, some problem must be. Now, Kailina. Kailina. Yes,
Yeah,
Kailina.
madam. Sorry.
Who's that? Kanira. Kanira, don't say. Kanira, tell me the number, missing number over there.
24 plus dash equal to 26.
Wait. Let us speak. 24 plus dash. Now see, I'm wasting a lot of time. Please tell fast. And right side, that is equal to 26 plus 24. Nothing to worry about the number. You just, very good. That's all. See, children, all of you, just listen to me. It's only 1 second. You have to wait 1 second to tell the answer. Please listen. Now, this left side number and the right side numbers, this is equal to that, means no need to add any number. Now, next one is, okay, Kayalina. Thank you, Kanira. Kayalina. Kayalina, please come on the line. Yes. Read the number C, 6 plus 8 plus 5. Read with me. Read. 6. Read means at once you must read, Kayalina. 6. See this girl. Kayalina, read with.
8, ma'am.
Kayalina, I'm telling you, read the numbers with me. I'm not asking the answer. 6 plus, read with me, Kayalina. 6 plus 8 plus 5. Now, which number is missing? See, Kayalina, See, Kailina, you're going on 5, 8. 8 plus 6. Yes, good. Now listen to me, Kailina. You must know how to listen to the teacher and answer. I was asking you to read the numbers, you're telling the answer. All parents also must adjust with us and cooperate with us. Thank you, Kailina. And now see, the answer is 8. You must not say before I could. Now, Mishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Mishti,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read the question? Only that 15 plus. Read with me. 15.
Ma'am, I can't.
You can't see the screen. What happened? What about Mitra? Mitra, can you see the screen?
Ma'am, I cannot
If
see.
not, all will go. Then how others? 1 minute. Mitra, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
Wait. Now wait.
Ma'am, I can see now, ma'am.
Now 1 minute. Misty, can you see?
Ma'am, I can see.
Okay, Misty. Now tell me 15 plus. Misty, tell. 15 plus. Misty. No, you left.
Yes, ma'am.
Misty, read. Misty, when I ask you to read. 15 plus 9 plus 12. Read. Then only I will know whether you are attending the class. Read. 15. Look at the screen. Have you got your book with you?
No, ma'am.
What are you doing, Mishti? Where is your textbook, page number 40?
Textbook there. Page number.
Teachers, parents. Ma'am, please, ma'am, listen to me, ma'am. When the child is attending the class, get ready with the book. All the instructions were given first. Page number 40. How the child will read then? Page number 40. Take.
40.
Please don't disturb them, parents. You have to get the book ready. They are too small. Okay, Misty. Read, ma. Read. Page number 40 you take. 40. Did you take
9?
See what the page
Double
number
9.
40.
12.
Parents, please don't talk in between.
12.
See this. See that parent is going on talking. Parents, please keep quiet. Now, Mishti, read with me. 15 plus, read. 15 plus, read. 9 plus 12 equals 15 plus. No, 9 is there. Which one is missing?
12, ma'am.
Very good. Mishti, if you need any help, you ask me. Don't be going on asking, your parents, okay? I will help you. And parents see that the child gets ready with the book before they could start the class. Now, thank you, Mishti. Next one is Mitra. Mitra, see E. Question number E. Mitra, E. Take E, Mitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, read the first number, Mitra. 23. Read. Plus, dash,
Plus 10
10 equals, read after me, equals
equals
16
60.
plus, yes,
60 plus 10 plus
23. Now, 3 numbers are there, 16, 10, 23. Here only 23, 10. Which number is missing left side?
10.
Mitra?
16.
Please, only once. You have to think and tell me, okay? Thank you, Mitra. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Now see below, just below that, exercise 2, complete using addition facts. 1 minute, don't talk. Now, Anandit, can you help me, Anandit, the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read. 1 minute. Oh, 16, sorry. See the previous one, children. 1 minute, 1 minute. Previous one, it is 16. Now, see, Anandit, don't talk. Okay, thank you. It's now just check the answers. 4, first one, 26, 8, 12, 16. Okay, now next one, 18 plus 0.
Ma'am, I cannot see the picture.
Why? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that who cannot? You tell me, then only I will be able to help you. Anandit, do you have the camera?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Then how you will see okay, never mind, Anandit. I will call the next child. Ashwant, tell me 18 plus 0. Any number plus 0, what will you get? Tell me the answer, Ashwant.
18 plus 1, ma'am.
Tell me.
18, ma'am.
18. Thank you, Ashwant. Should be like this. Thank you so much. Now, after Ashwant, Cyrus, please tell me, just look at the number. 29 plus something, you will get 29. How will you get 29?
0, ma'am.
Very good. You're calling me 0, ma'am. Instead of honey, ma'am. Never mind. Okay, Cyrus, thank you. Now, after Cyrus, Ritik. Thank you. Ritik. Now, please don't tell the answer, parents. 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Only Ritik. Nobody else should talk. Now, dash plus 0, you will get 56. If you add 0 to one number, you will get the same number. Now, which number is missing there? Tell me. Which number? 56. Good. Now, next one, it's not 0. Next one, John, Matthew, Thomas. Now, I'm going to ask you a question. John?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read the number, John, 95.
95
Plus?
plus 0
One.
equals.
No. Please, John, I want you to read from the book or from your screen. From the screen. 95 plus 1.
Equals.
Now listen now. 95 you add 1 to any number, you will get the next number. Here you are adding 1 to 95. What will be the next number? 95 plus 1. What is the next number after 95?
60.
Listen, nobody should whisper now. 95, you keep 95 in your mind, add 1 to it. What is 95 plus 1? Somebody is telling the answer, children. I don't know who is telling the answer over there. I don't know whether it's parent sister. 95 plus 1, you keep 95 in your mind.
96.
Add 1. Yes, that's all. You take your own time. Somebody tells you the answer, you will never get it. Now check all the answers, children. First one 18, next one 0, 56, 96. Now excuse me, turn off your, turn off your mic. Now, this one I'm not going to ask you, but I will tell you what you have to do. First one. Second one, I'll ask you. Now, page 41, you take page 41. It's already done in your textbook. Page 41, the first one, I want to add, look into your textbook. I want to add 9 plus 5. We are just going to have a jump from 0 to 9. See there, in your textbook, say. Then slowly you have to count after 9. Now, keep in your mind, you have to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, 1 minute. Now, I want Kevin to tell me the answer for this. Already it's shown there. But look at the screen and tell me the answer. Yes? Yes?
Answer is 14, ma'am.
Very good. Now, answer is 14. Already it's done in your book, children. 1 minute. Okay, the answer is 14. Now, only one I did for you. Next one, I need your help. Okay. 9 plus 5, 14 is done. Now, children, you can do it slowly. Please do it like how ma'am did. From 0 to 9, one big jump. From there, you count small jump. See that? Like oval shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will ask Kushagra. Did you do the first one? Kushagra? Only when Kushagra finishes, I will go to the next one. When Kushagra, Kushagra, are you there, Kushagra? Kushagra is not there. Okay, now. Logesh, can you answer, Logesh? Logesh, did you do the sum in your book? Logesh? Why nobody is answering? Okay, Mithilesh. Mithilesh, can you hear? Mithilesh? Just see whether can hear. Mithilesh. Samantha, sweetie. Samantha? Yes. Did you do the sum, Samantha, in your textbook? Okay, thank you. Now I will go to the next one. Okay, I just want to know whether you finished. 1 minute. 3 children. Mithilesh did not answer. Lokesh, Kushagra. I have to tell in the office the children were not there. That's what I don't know the reason. But still. Now you take number 2, children. 1 minute. Number 2. Who's this? Who's this?
John.
Who? John.
John.
What happened, John?
I only joined now because I could not
Okay.
join the
Yeah,
link.
never mind. You can see the recording. Don't worry. Don't worry. Now you just continue with page number 41, John. Never mind. Now page 41, exercise 3. Number 2, I'm asking now, next child, Shashwata. Shashwata. Now.
Yes.
Shashwata. Now you just look at the screen or look into your book, Shashwata. 1 minute, okay? Now see, 8 plus 4. What should I do? What a big jump I have to give from which number to which number? Tell me. From 0 to, tell me.
0 to 8.
Okay. 0 to 8. 1 minute. Yes, one. John. Okay, now listen. Excuse me, when you join in between, just don't disturb, okay? You can continue. Now, Shashwata, tell me. Shashwata.
Ma'am,
Now, 0 to 8. This is correct, yes or no? 0 to 8, one big jump. After that, what should I do? How many counts I have to take?
4.
Very good, Shashwata. Children, do with me. Just draw a big, half circle up there. 0, not from first. 0 to 8. That means you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why 0 to 8. Then 1, do with me. 2, Shashwata told me I have to do 4 jumps. 3, 4. Now, what is the answer, Shashwata? Shashwata, tell me the answer. 12. Very good. Now, don't go because time is up. We have to complete the next one. Hope all have done this. Those who haven't done, you can go to the recording and do it slowly. Never mind. The third one goes to Shamma. Shamma, come fast on the line. Come on. Shamma. 7 plus 8 in your book. Yes. Now, from where should I start the big jump, Shamma? From 0 or 1? From
0.
0 to which number? 0 to which number?
0 to 7.
Very good. So I finished jumping. You also do the big jump now. 0 to 7. Children, why it's 0 to 7? Because you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For add on the number line and subtract on the number line, different rule. So please listen carefully. Now, Shamma, how many counts should I take after 7? Not 8 you must count. How many counts starting from 1? How many counts you tell me? After 7, how many counts? 7 plus 8. So how many counts? Tell. 8 counts. Tell me. 8 counts. Because next number is 8. Don't count 8. You have to count 1. Do it in your textbook. 1, 2. Everybody do with me. 3. Neatly. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even you can add this in your mind and tell what is 7 plus 8. What is the answer? Shamma? 15. Okay, thank you, Shamma. Next person, hurry up, Shaina. Shaina?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, last one. 6 plus 5. Now, see, lot of disturbance, Shaina.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me the big jump from which number?
We have to jump 0 till 6.
Very good. Speak like that. Very good, Shaina. 0 to 6. That is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You finish counting. How many
Yes,
counts I have to do? Tell them to switch off the TV or something there. Okay. How many counts after 6?
We have to do 5 counts.
Very good. Now, please do with me, children. Everybody will get a chance in English class. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly draw the line and tell me the answer for it. China.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer, China?
11.
Yes, thank you so much. Now, children, I'm just going to call the names of today's special class children. Samantha, sweetie, I want Samantha to be attentive. She was not there in the first class. Shashwata, Shamma, Shaina, Tanvi, Arush, Ahil, Alan, Akilan. Okay, these children must attend Akilan. Try to come on time. Now listen, the class is over. Children, thank you. Leave the classroom, go for a break because you have continuous class. Now, English class, you have to bring the textbook. Only textbook we are going to do it. Thank you so much. Leave the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.